So what we're gonna see now is how we're going to go about simplifying a block diagram. Okay, so for example, if we have different rules, this is a cascade blocks. So we're going to have, when for example if we have two blocks, okay, like this, we can rewrite them in one blocks and multiply them. Okay, so this is what we call cascade blocks. Okay, donc inside would be we have two blocks in parallel. We can, and we have a somewhere in between. So we're going to add them, okay, and inside one block. This is what we call parallel connection. Okay, now rule C, it's feedback connection. Okay, when the summers before, okay, so when we have this representation and we have two blocks following, okay, we have Q and F. This is gonna give us one block, but it's gonna be going to represent them in this form. Okay, Q over 1 plus F times Q. Okay, let's go and see more rules. Now we have this interchange rules that you see here. So we're going to sum the point. Okay, so this is what you see. This block equal to this block. Okay, so the sum that you see here, you're going just to, you can just shift them, okay, in a different way, the way that you want to go about this solving this question. We do have these rules that you see in E and F. Okay, these rules are very important. So you have something like this, and then if you have to move this block to the other side, then you're gonna end up with this form that you see. Okay, now we do have this rules that you see here. Okay, if you have to move J the other side, then you're gonna end up with this form. This is what we call interchange blocks of summing point. We also have this one, rule 9 and H for interchanging block. Okay, if you have something like this and you want to move this block the other side, because there's no sum area, just normal connection, you're going to end up with this block. And the same goes for this one. When you have to move this one the other side, you will end up with something like this. Okay, so we have two interchange rules when we have a summing point, and when we don't have a summing point, it's just a takeoff point. Okay, so these are the rules that we're going to apply and learn, and you're going to see how we're going to simplify the block diagram that we're gonna see later on. Okay, this is what you need, and then from here you should be able to understand, be able to solve this question.